Welcome to elDoc Tutorials. In this tutorial session, we will showcase the powerful search capabilities of elDoc. With document indexing features, elDoc empowers users to effortlessly search through content within files and documents in a straightforward and efficient manner. elDoc excels with both full-text search and defined filter criteria, giving you a versatile and efficient document retrieval experience. Let's begin by illustrating how the search by fields filter operates. You can search for relevant documents by applying various search criteria. Feel free to use a single search filter or multiple ones to refine and narrow down your search effectively. The more precise you are in your search, the easier it is to obtain highly relevant content. Unlock the full potential of elDoc's search engine, the standout feature that allows you to effortlessly locate documents based on their content using our powerful full-text search. This makes searching for specific information within files a breeze, ensuring a user-friendly and efficient document retrieval experience. Discover content within documents effortlessly with elDoc's robust full-text search capabilities. Start your elDoc trial right away.